Maine is in the middle of an opioid epidemic.
The state has set a new fatal overdose record 3 out of the last 4 years. In the first 3 months of this year, there have been 143 people who have died linked to drug overdoses. That's down 1 from the same time period in 2023. 3 out of every 4 deaths are connected to the dangerous drug fentanyl. Last year, more than 79 million counterfeit pills laced with fentanyl were seized across the U.S.
Test strips are touted as one tool to reduce harm, but as NBC's Vicki Nguyen finds out, there's a more effective way to use them.
Search illicit drugs on social media and messaging apps, and you'll see dealers claiming their drugs have been tested for fentanyl.
Should users trust that?
Absolutely not.
Detective Patrick Craven helps lead the newly formed Placer County Opioid Response Team. His investigation into the 2022 fatal fentanyl poisoning of 15-year-old Jules Wolfe led to California's first murder conviction of a drug dealer for providing fentanyl-laced pills.
Nathaniel Kabakungan put out there that his pills did not contain fentanyl, and that was not the case.
Regina Chavez believes her daughter Jules' death was an accidental overdose. Kabakungan, who advertised his pills were tested and free of fentanyl, gave Jules a counterfeit Percocet.
What do you want parents to know about these test strips?
I want parents to be concerned because these test strips are providing a false sense of security.
While test strips do work, investigators say for accurate results, the entire pill or batch needs to be tested, which police say is not understood or practical for most users.
Is it possible that when you test just a portion of the pill, it could show up as negative for fentanyl while the rest of the pill is positive?
It's very possible.
We purchased 3 types of test strips and asked Detective Craven to show us how they work. Craven tested counterfeit pills from a recent drug seizure. All came back positive for fentanyl.
No pill is processed and made in the same way, and therefore they don't contain even amounts of fentanyl.
The DEA says 70% of the counterfeit pills it tested last year contained a deadly dose of fentanyl. In Los Angeles, accidental overdoses from fentanyl are up more than 1,600%. Nationwide, fentanyl is now the leading cause of death for Americans ages 18 to 45. That surge has led many health departments like New York and Chicago to spend millions to provide free fentanyl test strips to users, although there isn't clear data to prove the strips are preventing overdoses. For Jules' mother, Regina, the messaging is clear. Unless you've personally tested the entire pill or batch, don't trust it's fentanyl-free.
My baby is still doing amazing things, even after she's gone, to help save our communities, to help save our children.
Vicki Nguyen, NBC News, Placer County, California.